Most co-parenting money fights aren't really about the money. They're about the scorekeeping. Who paid for camp, whether that Venmo in March was for the glasses or the cleats, and whose turn it is to be annoyed. This is the co-parenting money and custody command center. 14 tabs that replace memory with a ledger. Every shared expense split by the method you both agreed to. One settlement statement a month. Child support tracked like a bank would track it. And a custody calendar that counts itself. The ledger doesn't take sides. That's the whole point. You know the thread. 8:41 on a Tuesday night. Did you pay for camp yet? I paid the deposit and the glasses. That's not what we agreed. Nobody's lying. There's just no ledger. So everybody's right and everybody's furious. Meet Jamie and Dana, the sample family that ships inside this file, with kids Ava and Max, shown honestly as sample data. Every number in this video comes from the real, recalculated workbook. One dashboard holds their whole arrangement. What's been spent, what's been paid, who has the kids, and exactly one number that settles the month. Everything runs through the shared expense log. Cleats, copays, camp deposits, 10 seconds each. The date, the child, what it was, who paid. The sheet does the rest, because the split method lives in settings, chosen once, by both of you. 50-50, income proportional, or a custom percentage. Jamie and Dana use income proportional, 60-40. So far this year, $3,077.85 of shared expenses across 29 entries. Jamie has fronted $22.61, Dana $816.25, and every row already knows each parent's fair share of it. Chapter 2. Settle Up, the tab that ends the argument. Every month nets to one number. January through May are marked settled, statement by statement. June and July are still open, and together they come to exactly $301.86, flowing from Dana to Jamie. That's it. Not 5 IOUs and a grudge. One transfer, marked settled, done. And if the split method ever changes, change it once in settings, and every month recomputes. Child support deserves bank grade records, so it gets its own ledger. $650 due on the first of each month. 7 payments due so far this year. For $1,550 paid, arrears, 0. 6 of 7 arrived on time. July landed 4 days late. Chapter 4. Custody. 1 keystroke a night. J or D, whoever has the kids. The calendar counts everything else. 103 nights with Jamie so far, 98 with Dana. A 51-2, 48-8 split, computed, not argued. Holiday swaps and spring break exceptions just get typed in like any other night. And when it matters, mediation, a review, a court date. The court-ready summary compiles all of it from complete months only, alongside the support ledger and the expense totals, ready to print and sign. Under the hood, 921 formulas, recalculated clean, with 32 out of 32 independent math checks passed. The splits, the statements, the arrears, the nights, all verified 2 ways. Every screen in this video is the real file. It works in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Both parents can keep identical copies, and the blue cells are the only place you ever type. Clear the sample family. So that's the co-parenting money and custody command center. Calm records make calm conversations. 1 log, 1 monthly transfer, a support ledger nobody has to argue with, and a calendar that does its own counting. It's 1997. Instant download, free lifetime updates, and the link is in the description. Less arguing, more parenting.